परत परत हायकोर्टाक ह्या सरकाराचेर बडी मारची पडटा. किती जालें हायकोर्टाक? आमचे बरोबर आमचे सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आसा. मुकेश, what happened in the High Court and what is going to happen? Please tell us.
Pramod, when this matter was heard by the High Court on last date, that was on 6th May, there were 3 petitions, and today 3 more petitions were filed and which was placed before the bench, and all 6 petitions were heard by the High Court. And first of all, Goa government asked some more time to file a detailed affidavit, which has been given for today evening. And during the hearing, High Court said that before, on the basis of that affidavit, we can take some issues which can be dealt without the government's affidavit. And one issue was that High Court has given order last time that nobody will be allowed to enter into Goa without COVID negative certificate. But when the South Goa collector and North Goa collector issued the order and notification in which the resident of Goa, not once, any resident of Goa was given permission to enter into the state without COVID negative certificate. So High Court was very much angry on that issue, and he said that I have not against any Goan entering into Goa, but problem is that COVID virus doesn't recognize who is Goan and who is no Goan. So how can collectors issued such order in contrary to our interim order? And if there was some condition, the authority has to come before the court and request to modify the order. So Advocate General said that they will modify the order and that will be in accordance of interim order of the High Court. So very much likely that any time the South Goa collector and North Goa collector make new notification, new order in which nobody will be allowed to enter into the state without COVID negative certificate. This was one of the issue. Another issue, Lokik and Mahesh were discussing about the supply and maintenance of the oxygen. This matter came up before the court, and in which AG made the statement. Though AG has short time to file the detailed affidavit, but AG said that there is not lack of supply. So he said that as much oxygen is required in the state, they are getting somehow from our Goa state is producing, or they are getting somewhere from Karnataka. So details will be submitted by tomorrow. Rather, today evening only, a matter will be heard by tomorrow once again. So this was the situation before the High Court today. Pramod.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mukesh. जशी घडटात गजाली आमी लोकां म्हऱ्यान हाडत रावतले.